two forms of patience, right? There's waiting to get in, and then there's waiting to get out. Waiting to get out is harder form of patience, in my opinion. Why? Because when you're in a position, it's harder to hold on to it when it starts making noise. When you're outside the market waiting to get in, it's very easy to sit through there and watch noise because it has no effect over your P&L. But when your P&L is fluctuating, even if you don't see your P&L, like money's on the line, and the thing is up 8 pips, and you're like, okay, does it have more potential? Try to ride it a little bit longer, or is it hesitating? Or, a lot of times you're better off just leaving your target in place. That's a form of patience. That's hard patience. The easy patience, again, you're outside the market waiting to come in. That's very simple because what helps you with that is your setup. If there's no setup, very simple, nothing to do. If there's a setup, okay, you wait for the confirmation and then you have something to do. For me, that's very easy patience. They say that this game is 90% psychology. That's where it is. The technical stuff just gives us guidelines. The rest of it is up to our expectations and our confidence. So expectations are always changing. They're either growing or they're shrinking. Confidence can also grow and shrink depending on if you're structured or not. If you're structured, your confidence will grow. If you're not, your confidence will shrink. So just a couple of things to keep in mind on the psychological aspect of trading. It's especially important for scalping. Now if you're doing bigger picture stuff, like Andre's style, you don't have to be so on top of the market psychology. His style already incorporates a certain type of market psychology of where the trapped traders are. That's pretty much the psychology that he's taking advantage of. But from your perspective, it's just a matter of putting a trade on at the right level, the level identified by the system. You have your stop, you have your target, and then it's up to the market from there. It's the short-term momentum stuff, scalping. That's what requires a lot of focus.